Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you my breakout targets here on the Fantom chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.2295 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also seen a massive breakout out of this descending trend line that I had been sharing in my previous videos, where you can see that the breakout played out to the upper side. We have now seen a successful retest of that descending trend line, and there are high chances that Fantom is going to continue gearing up and get to the $0.27 mark, which is my next target area that I have here on the Fantom chart. And a break above the $0.27 mark, we can easily see Fantom get above the $0.3075 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. And a successful retest of that key area of resistance, we can continue gearing up. And to also share my trade that I have here on the Fantom chart, I opened a long trade at around the $0.23 mark, having my first target areas at around the $0.27 mark, and my stop loss just below the low that we made on the 10th of June at around the $0.2128 mark. And that is the long trade that I have here on the Fantom chart, and that is the long trade that I have here on the Fantom chart. And make sure that you also do your own research before opening one, so don't take that as financial advice. And also sharing a chart pattern that I have information here on the 4-hour chart. We have a double bottom that has been in formation, having our common low $95 mark, which is our significant area of support. And at this key area of support, you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive breakdown into that key area of support. We found support, we bounced back to the upper side, getting a high at around the $0.33 mark before we started a breakdown move back to this key area of support, giving us the second low. And as a result of that breakdown here on the charts, we ended up forming a double bottom, which is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And I was able to get that height, placed it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.43 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do on the short term once we get above the $0.27 mark, and also see a break above the $0.3075 mark, which is resistance, and a break above the neckline for this double bottom. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Fantom chart. Also taking a look at the indicators. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 62 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.